Introducing the Devasi Vacuum and Pressure Chamber CDV4, PPBI. First, we will start with a general description of the equipment and its different elements. Then, we will look at the tests that can be performed and how they are parameterized. The chamber has the following internal dimensions: 19.5 inches in width, 13.5 inches in depth, 13.5 inches in height. It comes with a wheeled base, a grid for keeping products immersed, and a drainage system. The equipment includes a vacuum pump that allows achieving a relative pressure of -26.5 inches of mercury at sea level. And it could reach up to -28 inches of mercury under perfect conditions. We can see a series of clamps that keep the lid closed during positive pressure tests. The maximum pressure that can be achieved is +14.5 inches of mercury. Before starting a positive pressure test, all clamps must be closed, starting with the front part. All our equipment comes with an independent control module. And in the case of the CDV4 PPBI, it must be placed on a table next to the vacuum chamber. The CDV4 PPBI has the control module Model P, which comes with the Orion operating system. With this equipment, you can perform multiple types of tests: immersion leak test, dry leak test, external pressurization test, transportation test, simulating negative atmospheric pressure variations, but also positive variations. This Model P control module is the most advanced in our range. It features a 4.3-inch touchscreen, a thermal printer, an SD card reader. Orion has 3 access levels with login and password. The operator can run tests without modifying the parameters. The administrator can configure the system and define test parameters. The super administrator has full access to all equipment parameters. This last level only applies to Devasi personnel or authorized distributors. You can install applications that have different test profiles and comply with international testing standards. We can also develop custom applications to meet specific requirements. You can update Orion or install new applications through the SD card. This ensures that your equipment can evolve alongside your needs. In the case of the CDV4 PPBI, it comes with 4 pre-installed applications: Quick Test, Leak Test, Transportation Test, External Pressure. Please note that each application allows programming up to 99 recipes, exporting results to an Excel file located on the SD card, printing a ticket with the test data and result. If you have a data management system, we can prepare the equipment to streamline the acquisition of results. Now that we have seen the features and functions of the equipment, let's see how it performs in tests. We have conducted tests with cooking oil in plastic bottles. We used the transportation test method ASTM D6653 in the CDV2 PPBI vacuum chamber. The first test was performed with 2 normal bottles purchased at the supermarket. As you can see in the video, the bottles maintained their integrity, and there were no leaks. The second test was carried out with a bottle with a small hole in the cap to simulate a leak. We had to increase the vacuum to -28 inches of mercury to detect the leak, but thanks to the equipment's precision, we were able to identify it without any problem. As you can see, Devasi's equipment features cutting-edge technology to ensure the quality of your products and the satisfaction of your customers. Additionally, with the Model P control module and its multiple applications, you can customize tests according to your specific needs. Devasi Package Leak Testing Instruments.